In this video, I will show you how to fix the problem if you cannot create a new Instagram account. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. You can also switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Next, check if Instagram server are working properly. Open up any web browser. Then search Instagram server. Now head over to any reliable website such as Down Detector and check if there is a server outage. If there is, you want to wait until the services are restored. After that, update the Instagram app. For that, launch it in Play Store. Then search for Instagram. If you find the option of update, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. Next, if you're using VPN or proxy service, turn it off before trying to create a new account. Now go ahead and try to create an account and check if the problem has been fixed. If not, you can simply uninstall the Instagram app and then reinstall it from Play Store or App Store. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.